Today we are going to deploy Django application inside a Docker container. In our setup, we have Django and Nginx running inside Docker container and MySQL running outside of Docker container. You can also run MySQL inside a Docker container, but the setup or requirement we have today is that MySQL is running on your host machine, or it can be on your cloud also. So in our scenario, Django and Nginx are running inside a Docker container and MySQL is running on our host machine. So let's start. First we'll set up a Django application, then we will launch the application inside a Docker container. So let me create a directory. Let's create a virtual environment. Activate it. Install your requirements. Now let's create a Django project. So I am giving the project name as core. Here you can see project is created. So this is our project directory. Now let's create a database. Database is created. Now change DB settings in your Django application. Let me go to desktop, and here it is, the directory. Control shit. So in settings.py you can change DB settings. So let me check my IP. ifconfig. So this is my IP, and I put the same IP as a host name, then my DB name, username, password. You should change your username and password here. Let me execute migrate command. Create a super user. can see Django is running fine. Also you can access admin. You can see admin also is working fine. So okay, so now we will launch this application in Docker. Control L. So to set up the Docker, here are our setup files. Copy Docker Compose, Docker file and config file at the root directory. So this is our root directory. Copy these files here. Then copy gunicorn.py file inside your project directory where your manage.py file resides. So let me open the Docker file. This is our Docker file. We are going to use Ubuntu 18.04 as a base image. Then we install some dependencies and softwares. This is our project name, core. We install the dependencies from requirement.txt file. Then we execute this command. This is our Docker file, and in Docker Compose, this is our Docker Compose file. You can see it. Now let me run it. You can see it's installing the dependencies. You can see your Django app is running, your Nginx is also running. And now if we try to access it, as you can see the Django application, and here you can also access admin, but you can see your static files of admin are not there. So if you go to this, and here we mount a volume called static, and for media also. So these two directories are created. So change the permission of these directories. You can see now these files directories are editable. So here are static files of admin. I am copying these to admin directory. So you can also see here, this is the admin file. And now if you try to access admin, you can access the admin. So your static volume is mounted, and here your front end. So if I add some view files, let me try. Let me create a view file here. So I import the test definition here and create a URL for this, and this URL is at index page. So if we try to hit our index page, just a minute, I think I typed something wrong. So here you can see the message. Okay, and this is the raw data. Welcome. Now if I try to edit this, welcome to home page. You can see as soon as you made some changes, the changes are reflected, and your application is also running inside a Docker container like this. One more thing to show you, that your Django is running inside a Docker container, and MySQL is running on host machine. So by default your MySQL is not accessible. So I make some small changes in my MySQL settings. If you open your conf file, this file, here you can see by default your bind address is like this. Just a minute. So by default your bind address is 127.0.0.1. Let me put it again. So this is something like this. Let me stop the Docker Compose. And if you run Docker Compose up, somehow it's working, but if you get MySQL connection error, then you can also, just a minute, let me restart my MySQL also. Sudo service restart. So here you can see a message, can't connect to MySQL server on this IP. So your Docker container is able to ping or to connect to this IP, but unable to connect to MySQL server. And if you check here, you will also get the same error, that can't connect to MySQL server on this IP or this host. So to make this happen, just go to this file and go to bind address, and here you can allow all the IPs, or you can allow specific IPs, whatever you want. So I am allowing all the IPs here, and restart my service. After that, if you try to run your Docker Compose command, then you will get a success message. One more thing to show you, that if you want to run your Docker Compose up command in detached mode, so you can also use -d option. So your Docker Compose is running in a detached mode. Now if I go to this, I can access it. Also, it's also working fine. So that's it, guys. This is how you can deploy your Django based application in Docker container, and MySQL is running on a host machine or in a cloud, or it can be in AWS also. So that's it.